Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing the recipe of frozen yogurt pops. It's simple to make and is a perfect and healthy treat for summer. In a blender, add in 3/4 cups of hung curd or Greek yogurt. Add in 1 tablespoon of honey depending on the sweetness of your fruit. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally add in your fruit. I'm using chopped frozen mangoes. Use any fruit that you like. You can buy frozen fruit or chop your fruit and freeze it. Blend this until it's smooth. I've put the frozen yogurt in a measuring cup for better control. I'm going to freeze these in a large silicone ice cube mold. Insert the ice cream sticks. I've cut the ice cream stick in half so it's the right size. I'm also freezing some in a small chocolate mold. You can freeze these in a regular ice cream mold or freeze it in a container and scoop it out. Freeze this for at least 5 hours. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe. Also leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box down below. Thank you so much for watching.